This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a quiet pocket in the Gold Coast, just steps from Lakeshore Drive, Oak Street Beach, and the 18-mile Lakefront Trail for a walk through one of the apartments at 65 East Scott. I'm just a few steps from the elevator bank at apartment 9G, a one-bedroom, looking east at a sliver view of Lake Michigan, just a short walk away. Floor-to-ceiling windows here. A spacious living dining area. Can accommodate a large dining table, comfort furniture, home office desk, carpeting in the living and bedroom areas. Looking at the front entryway, there's a wide pantry closet with shelving off to my left, closet with hanging space off to my right, an L-shaped kitchen, black and white motif. It's a 4-burner electric range, built-in microwave and dishwasher, space for a small table or an organizer in the kitchen. Great floor-to-ceiling windows. Leading toward the bedroom and bath. Another closet off to my left. Bath has black and white motif. Pork chop vanity top for storage of your toiletries. Triple mirrored medicine cabinet. And a soaking tub. Bedroom can accommodate any size bedding and additional furniture. And you have another wide closet. Overall, well above average closet space for a one-bedroom in the Gold Coast. 65 East Scott has on-site management, maintenance, and 24/7 door staff. The outdoor pool deck is ringed by trees, has a sunning area, and gas grills. Fitness center has both cardio and strength training equipment. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.